The connection between diet and cancer, a guide to prevention and strengthening your body. The link between what we eat and our health has been studied for decades, and recent evidence shows that certain foods not only help prevent cancer, but also slow its progression. While no single food can cure the disease, incorporating options rich in protective compounds is a fundamental step to support the body's natural defenses. Cancer tends to develop in environments of chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, conditions that can be positively influenced by diet. Many foods fight cancer due to their antioxidant content, anti-inflammatory agents, and nutrients that promote cell repair and toxin elimination. In this video, we'll explore 8 scientifically proven foods that help prevent and manage this disease. It's important to remember that while diet cannot replace medical treatments, it can be a powerful tool within a comprehensive health approach. Adopting healthy habits like regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking enhances the benefits of a balanced diet. Before we continue, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support helps bring this information to more people. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice widely used in Indian and Asian cuisine, is renowned for its active compound, curcumin. This powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death. Key properties. Reduces chronic inflammation, a major factor in cancer development. Protects DNA from oxidative damage. Inhibits the formation of new blood vessels tumors need to grow. How to consume. Add it to stews, soups, or drinks like golden milk to maximize its benefits. 2. Garlic and onions. These members of the allium family are rich in sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have strong anti-cancer properties. Main benefits. Stimulate immune cells to attack cancer cells. Reduce the risk of stomach, esophageal, and colon cancers. Support liver detoxification processes. Recommendation. Consume garlic raw or lightly cooked to maximize its allicin content. 3. Green tea. Known for its polyphenol, particularly EGSG, epigallocatechin gallate, green tea is a potent ally in cancer prevention. How it works. Blocks tumor growth. Promotes apoptosis in damaged cells. Enhances liver enzymes that eliminate carcinogenic substances. Suggestion. Drink at least 1 cup a day to enjoy its benefits. 4. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and similar greens are superfoods loaded with folate and carotenoids, essential for cell health. Outstanding effects. Prevent DNA mutations that can trigger cancer. Neutralize free radicals that cause cell damage. Reduce chronic inflammation in the body. How to include them. Use them in salads, green smoothies, or as a side dish. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant widely studied for its effectiveness in reducing prostate cancer risk. Why they work. O. Neutralize free radicals and protect DNA. O. Cooking increases lycopene bioavailability. Recommended options. Enjoy homemade tomato sauces, soups, or roasted tomatoes to maximize their benefits. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain glucosinolates, which break down into active compounds like sulforaphane during digestion. Key benefits. Help eliminate carcinogens before they damage cells. Inhibit tumor growth and promote the death of cancer cells. Regulate hormones, reducing the risk of breast and prostate cancers. How to consume. Steam them to retain their nutrients. 7. Medicinal mushrooms. Varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are known for their ability to strengthen the immune system. Anti-cancer properties. Contain beta-glucans, which activate immune cells to fight cancer. Reduce inflammation and tumor growth. Suggestion. Add these mushrooms to soups, stews, or take them as supplements. 8. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3, fiber, and antioxidants. How they help. Reduce inflammation and the risk of hormone-related cancers. The lignans in flaxseed block harmful estrogen effects. Fiber supports healthy digestion and eliminates toxins. How to include them? Add ground flaxseed to smoothies or enjoy walnuts as a healthy snack. Conclusion: nutrition is a powerful tool for reducing cancer risk and improving overall well-being. The 8 foods highlighted here are supported by scientific research showing their ability to combat cancer from various angles. Adopting a balanced diet rich in these foods, combined with healthy lifestyle habits, not only helps prevent disease, but also strengthens and revitalizes your body daily. Remember, prevention starts on your plate. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you don't miss our daily health and wellness tips. Don't forget to like the video and share it if you found it useful. See you in the next video.